Hi, I'm Steve Sample with Bama Talk. Don't miss a single episode of Bama Talk Show, available now on iTunes, Stitcher, or your favorite podcast app, and on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, March 28th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather warming up, and look out for some rain in here over the Easter weekend. We'll check some of the Skycam shots. A very nice day today. Feels so much better. That's our Demopolis Skycam overlooking the Tombigbee River, a cloudless sky there. We'll head up north. That's the Huntsville Skycam, the sky bright and sunny up in Madison County. And down south, a sunny day on the beautiful Alabama Gulf Coast. That's the view coming from the Phoenix All Suites, but it's cool. Keep in mind the water is at 56 degrees, the ocean, and because of that, it's hard to get the air warm. The air temperature was only 60 at about 2:30 when that image was captured this afternoon. Upper pattern, this is the flow at 500 millibars beginning to de-amplify. We have a dry northwest flow aloft. And temperatures are indeed looking better today. The only spot not at 60 is Fort Payne. They've got 59. Birmingham at 62. Montgomery, the warm spot. They've got 66. We might be flirting with 70 degrees tomorrow, and that will feel even better. And around the nation, we're seeing temperatures warming up fairly nicely. And that trend will continue on into early next week. But another pocket of cold air is coming down the pike by the middle of next week, so fair warning. There's the watch warning map. We've got some Alabama counties in purple. That is a red flag warning. That means there's a high wildfire danger because of the very low dew points. Other than that, the nation is pretty quiet. Convective outlooks, we have one risk on day 3. This is Saturday, a risk of severe weather for places like Childress and Wichita Falls, Texas, parts of West Oklahoma and South Central Kansas. But beyond that, there's no formal risk for Sunday or Monday of next week, and we don't expect any severe weather. And this is the rain for the next 7 days. This carries us through Thursday morning of next week. This is showing rain amounts of about 1 inch here. And let's get in there and take a look at modeling. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock local time tomorrow afternoon. We still have a northwest flow aloft. A little energy is coming in, and you can see some rain tries to break out around Memphis and the Mid-South. And we'll mention the chance of a shower late tomorrow or tomorrow night, mainly for areas north of Birmingham. But the bulk of the day should be dry, and temperatures will be approaching 70 tomorrow with a mix of sun and clouds. Now, Saturday, as we start the weekend, we'll mention a good chance of showers for about the northern half of the state. It's not going to rain all day long, but it could rain at times. Both models have a high of 69 on Saturday with a cloudy sky. And then this is Sunday, and you can see that there's a little energy rotating through here, but the dynamic support is not all that impressive. And at the surface, we have a cold front that's running from near Detroit down to about Little Rock. And in advance of that, we're expecting a pretty good chance of showers and storms on Sunday. And of the 2 days, that might be the day with the best coverage of rain. And the front just slowly makes its way through here. This is Monday at midday. The front is around Huntsville and the Shoals up in the Tennessee Valley. So we'll keep the chance of rain going into Sunday night and Monday, especially Monday morning. And look at the cold air behind that front. I mean, it's cold up north. Again, Chicago, Milwaukee, Minneapolis. It's going to be more like wintertime for them. And then Tuesday, the front pushes all the way down to the Gulf Coast and we're dry, and it should be noticeably cooler. The high Tuesday will drop back into the 50s. Not like the 40s we had earlier this week, but highs go back in the 50s. That's way below average for early April. And the low Tuesday morning should be in the upper 30s, and the day should be dry. And then Wednesday, a new surface low begins to gather in the western Gulf. This is suggesting the day Wednesday will be dry. But Wednesday night, some of that rain can move in here. And then Thursday, we have a surface low pretty far south of Mobile Bay. And if this is right, the bulk of the rain stays south of here Wednesday night and Thursday of next week. But the European is a little farther north. It's got the surface low closer to Pensacola Bay, and accordingly, the rain is all the way up into the Tennessee Valley on Thursday of next week. So in the European traditionally does a little better at this time range, so we'll probably mention a chance of rain Wednesday night and Thursday, heaviest rain over South Alabama. We'll go out there deeper in the period. This is April 9th. It looks kind of stormy, a surface low near Chicago. Good chance of rain and storms. The end of the forecast on the 13th, that would be mild and dry if that's right. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here, early tomorrow morning, Brian Peters will pick it up. He'll probably have it posted by 7 o'clock or so. I'll be back with an afternoon edition tomorrow. And if you can, catch us on ABC 3340 News this evening at 4, 5, 6, and 10 on the live stream or the television side. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Hey, this is Ross with my partner Bob. We have a show called Worldview Matters.
And Ross, as you know, we believe that everything in life is somehow related to how people view the world around them.
Our show is available on iTunes, Stitcher, or your favorite podcast app. Also available on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.